welcome you all on behalf of Concept Engineering Academy and Research. Today we are going to see one of the very important bit, that is regarding the CG, Center of Gravity and Center. Okay, so before going to start this session, we will go for the first of all the basics behind the scene of this, that is regarding the type of the sections. We will discussing the type of the section, then after that what is the symmetrical, what is the unsymmetrical, what is the X bar, Y bar. So these termini we will clarify everything in this session, right? So all of you please watch till end this video. We will cover problems also, whatever we are going to ask in a particular MSBT examination, that is from the question bank, right? So these are the one of the very important bit. This bit is covered question number 6 from MSBT. Question number 6 is having the 12 marks huge weightage. 12 marks huge weightage, having the 3 questions will be going to ask. You have to solve any 2 questions. Any 2 questions you must be solved, right? This is very simple topic, but behind the scene is very important. Problem solution is not important. The concept oriented is very important. We will discuss the types of sections. That is called as a geometrical figures. You can say geometrical figures. So what are the geometrical figures are there? That we are going to see first one by one. This terminology is very important. So this is called as a angle section, right? This is called as a angle section. This angle section is regarding the, this is the longer leg, and this is called as a shorter leg, and this is called as a thickness. This is called as a thickness. And for this one, these are the 2 axes will be there, that is the x-axis and y-y axis will be there. So in this you can see this is called as a centroid. What is the mean by centroid? The centroid is nothing but the whatever the position will be there, whatever the point of application will be there. This point of application will be at entirely based on the area that will be at area in the centroid. And what is the in CG? The CG in the point will be at, that is the weight of the body should be at. Okay, that is the most important thing. Now this is called as an angle section. First of all, we discuss the sections, then after that we will discuss the symmetrical and unsymmetrical section. Now, then after that, T section. Okay? T section. This is called as a T section. That is the letter of the T section. We will check here whether this is symmetrical or unsymmetrical. Now my dear students, what is the symmetrical and unsymmetrical? From the basic we will going to understand. This is the most important bit, that is the symmetrical and unsymmetrical. For understanding we will take first of all the T section, that will be easy to understanding for the symmetrical as well as the unsymmetrical. You have to take up only the vertical line and then after that the horizontal line. The vertical line is indication as a y-y axis and this will be the axis. The symmetrical and unsymmetrical section we are going to decide based on the axis. First of all, draw the axis, that is the most important. Now my dear students, see, just you have to sit here, then you will be see on this side, same दोनों तरफ same दिख रहा है क्या? Let's see, same figure. See, this is having some L type and this is also having some L type. So this will be the symmetrical along which axis? The symmetrical about is y-y axis. You can say symmetrical about y-y axis. Similarly, you have to keep hands on x-axis, then just check on this side, See my dear student, this will be having the top flange and this will be called as a web. Right? See my dear student, from this side, that is not a mirror image of this. Symmetrical, unsymmetrical is nothing but, symmetrical is nothing but just you have to take a mirror image. This is the mirror image. Unsymmetrical means this will be having the unsymmetrical. See, you can see, this is not exactly same. This is a, so that's why this is not a symmetrical section. The unsymmetrical about x axis. ठीक है? Now similarly we can go for the now angle section. Just tell me, this will be having the x-axis. About the x-axis, this is unsymmetrical, and about the y-axis, just check, about the y-axis again unsymmetrical. Okay, so the best example of the unsymmetrical section is having the angle section, is both sides is having the unsymmetrical section. It is symmetrical about the only y-axis and symmetrical about the y-axis and unsymmetrical about the x-axis. Clear झालं है? Now this will be clear now. Okay. Now again we will check for this one. This is having the inverted T section. So this is the inverted T section, x-axis, y-axis. This is also similarly that one. This is the inverted, means just we have to make of the. This will be having the inverted T section. Just जो T है उसको उल्टा करो बस. This is called as the inverted T section. Now this is called as a channel section. Now in this channel section, symmetrical about which axis? For particularly this one, symmetrical about which axis? Symmetrical about x-axis, right? Symmetrical about x-axis. Just see replication of this one. Okay, the same इन्हीं line में है, ठीक है. Then after that, about y-axis. Y-axis में क्या है? Unsymmetrical है. So this will be having the unsymmetrical about the y-axis. Okay, हे अतिशय महत्त्वाचं आहे. Okay, symmetrical and symmetrical is the most important is there for the CG. While calculation, it will be easy to calculate symmetrical and unsymmetrical section with the help of the, you have to find out the CG as well as the center. Okay. Now then after that, please tell me this one also. This is x-axis, this is y. Please tell me what is the answer of this one. Symmetrical about, this is symmetrical or unsymmetrical? Unsymmetrical. This is unsymmetrical about both the axes. Unsymmetrical about both the axes. This is symmetrical about both the axes. Okay, having the same dimensions. Okay, दोनों का डायमेंशन सेम है, so इसकी वजह से इसका सिमेट्रिकल अबाउट. यहाँ पे मैं डायमेंशन नहीं दिया है, so इसके ये डायमेंशन जो है इसका सिमेट्रिकल आएगा. Now one more thing, we will check on the another figure. Please tell me this figure. Symmetrical about which axis? For rectangular section, symmetrical about which axis? This will be having the symmetric or non-symmetric? This will be having the symmetric about both the axes. Please write down the first of all this x-axis and y-axis. x-axis, y-axis लिखने के बाद आपको symmetrical, unsymmetrical पता चलेगा. Similarly, we will take this one. Symmetric about which axis? Both the axes symmetric. Suppose we will take this one, triangular shape. Symmetric about which axis? Symmetric about only y-axis. Unsymmetrical about the x-axis. This bit is very, very important. Okay, in the particularly whichever the examination or concept wise, right? Next bit, that is the, you can see this is the one inverted section I have taken. In this is A1. This figure is completed. Now we have to assume this is 1 and this is only second, and O stand for the origin. Okay, this is having the in the origin, that is y-axis, and this will be x-axis will be there. Now whatever the centroid will be there, this centroid will be act from the base. This is nothing but the position of the centroid from the bottom. Okay, we can say this is called as a y bottom. Okay, y bottom, and this is called as a y bar top. This is called as a top from the top, and this will be from the bottom. Similarly, this is the x bar will be there from the origin to this CG, where exactly the x bar should be at. This is called as a x bar. That is the position. That is a where located the exactly centroid of that point from the this point. Right. This is will be the having the x bar. Right. Now just we'll remember the formula something while solving the problem. This is the very important. Now A1 we will go and calculate the A1 from the geometrical figures, and then A2 also we will find out from the geometrical figures. That geometrical figures we already posted the formula on the Telegram group. On the below description box I already provided the Telegram link, so just join. You will get applied mechanics notes, and as well as you will get the list of formulas set. Okay, so please join the Telegram group. Now this is the just we have to make a a1 and a2 summation. Why we make a summation here? From this figure we will add it all, right? यहाँ पे माइनस भी आ सकता है, माइनस कब आ सकता है? जब ऐसा प्रॉब्लम दे, ठीक है? ये फर्स्ट फिगर से सेकंड फिगर जब माइनस करेगा तब क्या आएगा? a1 माइनस a2 आएगा. So this is nothing but the summation of area. Now a1 is the bigger, a2 is the smaller. Similarly here a1 a2 we are going to add. When we add, when the figure will be separating from this, and this will be add, we have to make a negative. That is एक आतुन एक माइनस के लिए negative, right? ठीक. Now next, that is the x bar. X bar is nothing but the center of the position from the horizontal. We will always x bar we have to take at the origin. From origin we will take the x bar. Okay. Now x bar is this is the formula a1 x1 plus a2 x2 summation area. Or not is what is the a1 x1? What is the x1 here? The x1 is nothing but whatever the centroid will be at, that is from the first figure, from the origin. This is having the x1, and this will be having the x2. Exactly. Okay, what is the x2? x2 of this centroid figure. This is having the x2, right? Now centroid कैसा निकाला जाएगा? ऐसा. ये join किया तो centroid मालूम पड़ेगा, ठीक है? So this will be having x1 and x2. Now then y1 y2. Now what is the y1 y2? Y bar is nothing but the a1 y1 plus a2 y2 divided by summation. Summation area means a1 plus a2. What is the y bar? Y bar is from the bottom, where you have to exactly take the origin from the bottom and from the top. This is nothing but the centroid position from the origin. That is vertically distance will be there. That is called as a y bar. Now my dear students, what is the y1 y2? y1 is nothing but the exactly the x bar is nothing but the जहाँ पे है उसके नीचे vertically जो लिखेगा, this is called as a for the first figure, that is the y1 will be there the vertical distance of first figure is a centroid. Then second figure is a centroid. So this will be how to take, and from the base we will take, this is called as a y2. Right? Clear everyone? Please see this formulas. This listed formula is very important for the CG point of view. Right? For this soft copy, I have already posted in the Telegram channel. Please must watch. Okay? Or download it. All of you, we will see now next bit. That is the problem. They are given the one problem to you. Calculate the position of centroid from the T section. That is as shown in figure. They are given the figure with respect to point A. My dear students, all of you see, they are saying to you here with respect to point A. They are given the point A to you. Right? So this is called as a flange, and this is called as a web, right? And these are the dimensions they are given. Okay? So let's start the actual problem of this section. What they are asking, calculate the position of centroid. So position of centroid, इसका centroid निकालना है. You know the variable, the centroid is nothing but the x bar as well as the y bar we are going to calculate. Now first there are the, see all of you here, these are the standard steps you have to must be followed, right? To find out the centroid, first the given data and divide the section with the help of the numbers. Now first of all, my dear students, this is having the one already given the section will be there in terms of, इसके पहले क्या कर सकते हैं, the problems whatever there is, and in the wording also is given. This is called as a flange, this is called as a web. They are given the dimension, according to that we can draw this figure, right? So that's why I have written over given data. Now divide the section. Divide the section means that is we have to make a part wise, right? This figure you have to make a part wise. You have to make just add it on dotted line, right? We will assume this is figure number 1. We will assume this is figure number 2. This is the first step is over. Now then select the origin and mark the axis and decide the symmetrical or unsymmetrical. 3 बिट इजी है. ओरिजिन सिलेक्ट करना है आपको. सो ओरिजिन सिलेक्ट करने के लिए कहाँ से भी करो सिलेक्ट, यहीं पे करो, यहीं पे करो, यहाँ पे करो, यहाँ पे करो. ठीक, कहाँ से भी कर सकते हो आप सिलेक्शन ऑफ ओरिजिन. ठीक है, कहाँ से भी कर सकते हो सिलेक्शन ऑफ ओरिजिन. मैं क्या बोला, यहाँ पे करो, यहाँ पे कर सकते हो, यहाँ पे भी कर सकते हो, यहाँ पे भी कर सकते हो. They are asking with respect to point A, you have to take origin as a right? मैं यहीं पे करूँगा origin, right? So this is the origin O. ठीक है, this is the origin O. यहाँ पे करो, कैसे ही कर सकते हो, दिक्कत नहीं, यहाँ पे भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है. Now after that we will mark the first of all one axis. You know the variable for the particular T section, the whatever the centroid will be there, this centroid will be like that, right? Just we have to assume. We exactly don't know where the position will be there from the bottom or as well as the top. एक्स बार वाई बार की वैल्यू पता नहीं है, बट वी हैव टू नो what is the symmetrical and unsymmetrical section. Suppose we will call it as this is x-axis and y axis. So just see, my dear students, what is the symmetric about which axis? This figure symmetric about which axis? Please see. Replicate कहाँ पे है? Replicate कहाँ पे है? Symmetrical about the y axis. You know the variable symmetrical about y axis. जब y एक्सिस आएगा तब तेरे को क्या निकलेगा रे भाई? डायरेक्टली दिस विल बी हैविंग द, वी कैन से सपोज दिस इज द सेंट्रॉइड, दिस डिस्टेंस इज कॉल्ड एज एक्स बार. एक्स बार इजीली कैलकुलेट कर सकता है. ऐसा कैलकुलेट करने का वो वहाँ पे आप देख लेंगे 5 स्टेप में. डायरेक्टली भी हो सकता है, डायरेक्टली आएगा. ओके, दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट और दिस इज द बेनिफिट. कैलकुलेशन की जरूरत ही नहीं, राइट? x1, y1, a2, y2 जो है सिमेट्रिकल दिया, इट विल बी इजी फॉर मी. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हियर एंड अनसिमेट्रिकल व्हिच एक्सिस? अनसिमेट्रिकल. यहाँ पे तो x बार डायरेक्टली निकलेगा, x बार डायरेक्टली निकलेगा. y बार पे जब रहेगा तब x बार डायरेक्टली निकलेगा. अभी सिमेट्रिकल अबाउट व्हिच एक्सिस? अनसिमेट्रिकल अबाउट व्हिच एक्सिस? अनसिमेट्रिकल अबाउट द x एक्सिस. सो x एक्सिस पे कौन निकलेगा? y बार. y बार कहाँ पे है रे बंदा? यहाँ पे है रे बंदा. देखो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज नाउ. ओके, सो रेड पेन y बार. ठीक है, सो y बार निकालना पड़ेगा, डायरेक्टली नहीं आएगा. अनसिमेट्रिकल है ना, सो अनसिमेट्रिकल के लिए प्रोसीजर फॉलो करना पड़ता. क्या? यू हैव टू यूज दिस y1 and y2 and as well as you have to go to calculate each area. Now first of all, this is also over. Now third step, we will moving on the third step now. Calculate the area. Now area calculate करने के लिए a1 लिखो equal to a2 लिखो. Okay, जो geometrical figure है, geometrical for the rectangular section क्या है? So b into d, right? फर्स्ट फिगर के लिए ये b into d, ये फर्स्ट फिगर तेरा इतना ले. b क्या है? व्हाट इज द b एंड व्हाट इज द d? जब भी लिख सकता है तुम x एक्सिस पे b लेते हो, जब भी y एक्सिस पे लेते हो तो d लिखते हो. इतना याद रखो. यहाँ पे x एक्सिस पे b है, y एक्सिस पे d. सो b इज नथिंग बट 10 multiplied by depth. Overall depth is not there. This is the overall depth. This is called as a overall depth. They are given the overall depth. We are going to calculate this depth, right? Because we don't know the d. So how to calculate this d? Now see, 600 is the overall depth. 600 minus 20 कितना आएगा? 600 minus 20 कितना आएगा? 580 mm. ठीक है? This is the 580 mm. My dear students, see, this is the 580. So please tell me this one. 5800 mm square. उसके बाद A2 जो है देखो यहाँ पे, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक कितना है? 300. सेम फार्मूला b into d. उसके बाद में डेप्थ देखो, सिर्फ 2 का डेप्थ ले लो. यहाँ पे 2 लिखा है, सिर्फ 2 का डेप्थ ले लो. कितना है? 20. कितना होगा यहाँ? +1 +580 कितना? 6000. कैलकुलेटर की भी जरूरत नहीं यहाँ पे. सो मेक एडिशन ऑफ समेशन एरिया. समेशन एरिया कैसा होगा? इसका दोनों का प्लस करो. कितना आएगा बोलो? आया बराबर? Summation area is having the 11800 mm square. Please use calculator. Exam में calculator allowed है. So you have to take maximum benefit of calculator. Okay. Now this is the your A1 and A2. Now my dear students, we will going to calculate the. This step is over. Now each figure का अभी y1 लगेगा या y2 लगेगा? इस फॉर्मूले क्या आएगा? y1 आएगा ना, राइट? y के लिए y1 आएगा, x के लिए x1 की लिखाने की जरूरत है क्या? नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है? थोड़ी देर में बताऊंगा. Let's now we will moving on y1. This is the most important, so that's why I am writing over the red, right? So y1. Now what is the y1? The y1 is nothing but the whatever the figure is there, that is the first figure. इस first figure का आपने को centroid निकालना, centroid निकालना. ठीक है? We have to taking the with respect to area, sorry, with respect to a point. So we will take the actual this figure का centroid पता रहना चाहिए. See, अभी मैं खड़ा कहाँ पे हूँ? ये O जो है यहाँ पे खड़ा हूँ. ओके, यहाँ पे खड़ा हूँ. यहाँ से कहाँ देखने का पहली नजर तेरे को, इस फर्स्ट फिगर पे जाने का। इस फर्स्ट फिगर का जो है इसका आएगा तेरा y1 निकालना है। ओके y1। सो इसका पहले सेंट्रॉइड बता मेरे को कितना आएगा, यहाँ से चल के जाने का। इसका सेंट्रॉइड कितना आएगा भाई, इसका सेंट्रॉइड कितना आएगा, जो डिस्टेंस है उसका 580 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू 580 डिवाइडेड बाई 2। ये होगा है क्या y1 का डिस्टेंस, नहीं है भाई। कहाँ से रहना चाहिए तेरे को, विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू पॉइंट O और यू कैन से विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू पॉइंट A तक यहाँ का डिस्टेंस जो है, दिस डिस्टेंस इज कॉल्ड एज ए y1 डिस्टेंस, right? We are going to now calculate the y1 distance will be the, please understanding my dear student, this is the most important। मेरे को यहाँ से यहाँ तक डिस्टेंस लेना है। यहाँ का डिस्टेंस कितना है, 20 है, इसको प्लस करो। उसके बाद में एडिशन क्या करो, 820 प्लस दिस सेंट्रॉइड डिस्टेंस। दिस सेंट्रॉइड डिस्टेंस कितना है, 580 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 जो है, ये डिस्टेंस है 580 डिवाइडेड बाई 2। कितना आता है 580 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, 290। समझ में आया 290 कैसा है। ये पहले इसका सेंट्रॉइड मार्क करो प्लस रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस लिखो, सेंट्रॉइड ऑफ दैट फर्स्ट फिगर प्लस रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस। सो दिस इज हैविंग द योर y1 will be there। नाउ व्हाट इज द y2, the y2 is nothing but it is very simple, y2 is nothing but whatever the figure will be there, so this figure we have to take, see this figure we have to take, this figure is nothing but the y2, this figure is nothing but the y2, that's it। This figure, what is the y2, from the A point with respect to this figure। कहाँ से देखना वाला, देखो फर्स्ट पॉइंट यहाँ तक, यहाँ से देखा, सेकेंड पॉइंट यहाँ से यहाँ तक। So this distance is nothing but the y2 distance। Now what is the y2? y2 is nothing but the, just we have to take a 20 divided by 2। ये फॉर्मूले के सेट में दिया हुआ है। रेक्टेंगुलर का जब भी आएगा my dear students, this will be having the centroid will be always, suppose this is B, this will be having the B by 2, suppose this is B, this will be having the B by 2। Okay, these are the standard formulas will be there from the CG। रेक्टेंगुलर का डायरेक्टली CG आएगा, ठीक है। सो दिस इज 20 डिवाइड बाई 2 इज द 10 mm, ठीक है 10 mm। और इसका कितना आएगा, 290 प्लस 20 करो, 310 ना, 310 mm। सो दीज आर द टू मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट। एग्जाम में यहाँ पे गलती होगी, तुम क्या लिखोगे पता है, 600 डिवाइड बाई 2 लिखो, ये पूरा गलत होगा। लिखते समय 580 बताया, 580 क्यों आया, इसका पहला सेंट्रॉइड लिखो, उसके बाद में रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस लिखो, नहीं तो पहले रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस लिखो, उसके बाद में इसका सेंट्रॉइड लिखो। दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट। यहाँ पे गलती होगी, यहाँ पे नहीं होगी, पर यहाँ पे गलती होगी। हो गया अभी। नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट द, now we are going to calculate the y bar। now what is the y bar? Y bar is nothing but the, this is from the point A na, you have to take on the point A। see my dear student, this is from the point A, okay, this is B point। ये पे बताऊंगा कैसा सॉल्व करना है। this A point is nothing but the from top, ये point A बोला तो from top, that is nothing but the, we can say y bar top also, right? y bar top। what is the y bar? y bar is nothing but the, you know the formula A1 y1। यहाँ पे प्लस आएगा क्या माइनस आएगा, तो एग्जैक्टली सेपरेट फिगर्स है ना, सो इसको अपने को ज्वाइन करना, बोले तो एडिशन करना है। A2 y2 डिवाइडेड बाय समेशन एरिया, समेशन एरिया बोले तो इसका A1 प्लस A2, राइट। नाउ व्हाट इज द A1? A1 इज नथिंग बट, while putting the values please take care of that, A1 के A2 मत पुट करो, y1 की जगह y2 मत, ओके प्लीज केयरफुली। A1, what is the A1? A1 is nothing but the, now 5800 multiplied by y1, what is the y1? y1 is nothing but the 310 bracket complete plus in bracket A2 is nothing but 600 multiplied by what, y2, what is the y2? y2 is nothing but the 10, ठीक है। clear everyone? clear everyone? ठीक है। now divided by what is the summation area? 11800। please find out y top, please find out y top, or it is called as a y area, that is y bar at point A। 157.45। this is your exactly answer of the y bar at top। क्या शो कर रहा है, ये y बार A जो है, y बार पॉइंट A से जो डिस्टेंस है, मैं यहाँ पे लिखा था ना, ये x बार है, अभी ये होगा तेरा y बार। सो दिस y बार डिस्टेंस इज हैविंग द exactly is the position, so that will be showing from the A। अभी मेरे को यहाँ से निकालना है, देखो यहाँ के इस डिस्टेंस बोले तो बॉटम से तेरा सेंट्रोइड कहाँ पे एक्ट हो रहा है वो शो करना है. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट दी वाई टॉप एंड दिस इज नथिंग बट दी वाई बी. ये जो डिस्टेंस कितना है ओवरऑल डिस्टेंस इज नथिंग बट दी 600 है क्या नहीं. सो 600 ये पता है, ये निकालना है. कैसे निकाल सकता है? वाई बार एग्जाम में नहीं पूछा है बट फॉर द सेक ऑफ नॉलेज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू यू विल टेक. वाई बी इज नथिंग बट ओवरऑल डिस्टेंस दैट इज ओवरऑल depth minus y at area that is nothing but the we can say here y topper. Overall distance कितना था? 600 minus 157.45. Just we will make a minus. You will get this answer. You will get this answer. Please tell me.
442.5.
कितना?
442.5.
442.5 mm. So this is the your answer. is having the from the bottom. ये अभी दोनों प्लस करो, ये दोनों प्लस करें तो 600 आएगा. इसमें से तो माइनस किया है, इसकी वजह से उसका एडिशन किया तो उतना जाने वाला है. सो दिस इज द एक्चुअल कैलकुलेशन ऑफ द वाई बार. नाउ सिमेट्रिकल अबाउट द एक्स एक्सिस है. इट इज वेरी सिंपल माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. सी क्या है अभी फ्रॉम गिवन फिगर What is the symmetrical? We have to already written here. Symmetrical about the y-axis. बराबर है. x बार क्या आएगा? Due to symmetry from the given figure. Due to symmetric about x-x axis. Sorry. Due to symmetric about y-y axis, we will get x bar equal to x1, x2. That is x1, x2 equal to क्यों? देख लीजिएगा एक्स बार इक्वल इसका सेंट्रॉइड एक्स बार इज इक्वल टू ये x1 होगा फर्स्ट फिगर का ओरिजिन से. उसके बाद में ओरिजिन यहाँ पे लिया. इसका भी क्या होगा रे भाई बंदा? ये भी x2 हो रहा है. सिमेट्रिक क्यों है? देखो x बार की वैल्यू और x2 बार सॉरी x1 बार x1 जो वैल्यू है इसका वैल्यू जो है सेंट्रॉइड इसका सेंट्रॉइड फ्रॉम कहाँ से? ओरिजिन से. x1 एंड x2 व्हाटएवर द जो पॉइंट्स है उसका सेंट्रॉइड वो सेंट्रॉइड एक ही लाइन से पास हो रहा है. एक ही लाइन से जब पास होने वाला है तब x बार की वैल्यू डायरेक्ट तो लगा. सो फ्रॉम गिवन फिगर ड्यू टू सिमेट्रिक ऑफ y y एक्सिस द x बार x1 इक्वल टू x2. सी फ्रॉम दिस फिगर दिस इज x1 दिस इज x2. कितना आएगा भाई? जो बड़ा बोले तो यहाँ पे छोटा है नहीं 10 डिवाइड बाई 2 नहीं आएगा. जो बड़ा फिगर है उसका सेंट्रॉइड लीजिए बस. उसका सेंट्रॉइड विड्थ को कितना है? 300 है क्या नहीं. सो 300 डिवाइडेड बाई 2. सो फाइनली x बार इज इक्वल टू 150 mm. क्यों आया ऐसा? बिकॉज ऑफ द सिमेट्रिकल फिगर विल बी देयर. सो यही तो बेनिफिट है भाई सिमेट्रिक की वजह से. ये सिमेट्रिक है, बेनिफिट इसकी वजह से होता है. सिमेट्रिक की वजह से एक्स बार डायरेक्टली आएगा. नहीं तो क्या करना पड़ेगा अनसिमेट्रिकल के लिए? द अनसिमेट्रिकल के लिए यू हैव टू मेक दिस ऑल द स्टेप्स. ओके, आई होप यू एंजॉय दिस सेशन, राइट? ठीक है. दिस विल बी हैविंग द 6 mark weightage in your MSBT exam, that is from the question number 6. Okay.